Game frameworks, essential libraries, and project setup essentials. Introduction to game frameworks. In this presentation, we will explore the foundational elements of game development, understanding game frameworks, essential libraries, and project setup essentials is crucial for building robust games. We will discuss various tools and practices that can enhance your development process. What is a game framework? Game frameworks provide the structure for game development, offering tools and libraries to simplify processes. They help manage game logic, graphics rendering, and user input. Choosing the right framework can significantly impact your development speed and efficiency. Popular game frameworks. Some of the most popular game frameworks including Unity, Unreal Engine, and Godot. Each framework has its own strengths and weaknesses, catering to different types of games and developers. Understanding these options is key to selecting the right one for your project. Essential libraries offer pre-built functions and utilities that streamline development. Libraries like SDL, OpenGL, and DirectX provide essential graphics and input handling capabilities. Utilizing these libraries can save time and enhance performance in your games. Setting up your project. Proper project setup is crucial for game development. This includes organizing files, choosing the right version control system, and establishing coding standards. A well-structured project can improve collaboration and maintainability throughout the development cycle. Version control systems. Version control systems like JIT are vital for managing changes in your project. They allow multiple developers to collaborate effectively and keep track of revisions. Implementing versions control from the start can prevent loss of work and streamline the development process. Choosing the right tools. Selecting the appropriate development tools can greatly influence your productivity. Tools for code editing, debugging, and asset management should align with your chosen framework and libraries. Researching and testing different tools can help you find the best fit for your workflow. Best practices for development. Following best practices in game development ensures a smoother workflow. This includes writing clean code, documenting your work, and conducting regular testing. Adopting these practices early can lead to better quality games and less technical debt. Common pitfalls to avoid. New developers often encounter common pitfalls such as neglecting documentation, skipping testing, or choosing the wrong framework. Being aware of these challenges can help you avoid them and ensure a more successful development experience. Conclusion and key takeaways. In conclusion, building a solid foundation in game frameworks, essential libraries, and project setup is critical for successful game development. By understanding these elements, you can enhance your workflow and create engaging games more efficiently.